Welcome to our guide on mastering YouTube Shorts and growing your channel quickly. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your posting strategy, this video will walk you through proven tips, common mistakes, and motivational advice to help you succeed. We'll cover how often to post, what pitfalls to avoid, and the key habits that set successful creators apart. Let's dive in and unlock your channel's potential together. One of the most common questions new creators ask is how often they should upload content. Consistency is crucial, especially for beginners. Uploading 1 to 3 shorts daily gives you more opportunities to reach new viewers and experiment with different formats. Remember, quality matters just as much as quantity. By staying consistent, you increase your chances of creating a viral short that can bring thousands of subscribers. Let's explore how to balance frequency and quality. While uploading frequently is important, never sacrifice quality for quantity. Each short should be engaging, well-edited, and provide value to your audience. Take time to plan your content, use captivating visuals, and ensure your message is clear. High-quality videos not only attract viewers but also encourage them to subscribe and return for more. Consistency paired with quality is the foundation of sustainable growth. Consistency is the secret weapon for YouTube success. Many creators experience slow growth at first, but those who stick with a regular posting schedule see their channels take off over time. Uploading daily or several times a week keeps your audience engaged and signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're an active creator. Even if you don't go viral right away, consistent uploads build momentum and increase your chances of future success. It only takes one viral short to transform your channel. Many creators have seen their subscriber counts skyrocket after a single video catches on. However, the odds of going viral increase with consistent uploads and ongoing improvement. Don't chase virality with every video. Instead, focus on making each short better than the last. Over time, your chances of hitting it big will grow. Let's talk about the mistakes that can kill your channel's growth. Uploading low-quality videos, copying content exactly from others, ignoring captions, making videos too slow, and quitting after just a few uploads are all common pitfalls. Many successful creators had to upload dozens of videos before seeing results. Avoid these mistakes to give your channel the best chance to grow. Uploading videos that lack polish or value can turn viewers away. Take time to edit your shorts, use clear visuals, and ensure your audio is crisp. Low-quality content not only hurts your reputation but also reduces your chances of being recommended by YouTube's algorithm. Always aim for improvement with every upload. Copying videos exactly from other creators is a mistake. While it's fine to draw inspiration, your content should reflect your unique style and perspective. Audiences appreciate originality and authenticity. Stand out by adding your own twist to trends and topics. This not only helps you grow but also builds a loyal community around your channel. Ignoring captions is another common mistake. Captions make your videos accessible to a wider audience, including those watching without sound. They also help clarify your message and boost engagement. Take a few extra minutes to add accurate and engaging captions to every short. This small step can make a big difference in your channel's growth. Making videos too slow is a mistake that can hurt retention. YouTube Shorts thrive on quick, engaging content. Keep your packing fast and your edits tight. Hook viewers in the first few seconds and maintain their interest throughout. If your video drags, viewers will swipe away before it's over. Practice making your shorts concise and energetic. Quitting after just a few uploads is a mistake many beginners make. Growth takes time and persistence. Most successful creators uploaded dozens of shorts before seeing real results. Stay motivated, keep learning, and continue posting. Every video is a step closer to your breakthrough moment. If you remember only 3 things from this guide, make sure to hook viewers instantly. The first few seconds are critical for grabbing attention. Use bold visuals, intriguing questions, or surprising statements to draw people in. If you can capture interest right away, your retention rates will soar. Retention is the key to YouTube's success. Keep your audience watching by delivering value, maintaining energy, and avoiding unnecessary filler. Analyze your analytics to see where viewers drop off and adjust your content accordingly. The longer people watch, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your shorts. Uploading consistently is the third key habit. Don't focus on going viral overnight. Instead, aim to improve every video and learn from your analytics. The more you experiment, the better your content will become. Consistency builds trust with your audience and increases your chances of long-term success. Remember, YouTube success is a journey, not a sprint. Focus on improving every video, learning from your mistakes, and staying consistent. The more you experiment and adapt, the better your chances of achieving your goals. Good luck with your YouTube journey and keep pushing forward. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips and stay tuned for future guides. Welcome to our guide on mastering YouTube Shorts and growing your channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your posting strategy, this video will walk you through proven steps to boost your channel's performance. We'll cover how often to post, common mistakes to avoid, and essential tips for long-term success. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to YouTube growth together. Consistency is key when it comes to building a loyal audience on YouTube. Uploading regularly not only keeps your viewers engaged but also signals to the algorithm that your channel is active. Even if you don't see immediate results, staying consistent increases your chances of hitting that viral moment. Remember, every successful creator started with a routine. Common question is, how often should you upload shorts? For beginners, the sweet spot is uploading 1 to 3 shorts every day. This frequency helps you learn quickly, test different ideas, and maximize your chances of reaching new viewers. But remember, quality always trumps quantity. Never sacrifice value just to hit a number. While uploading frequently is important, focusing on quality is what truly sets you apart. Each short should offer something valuable, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. Take time to plan your content, use clear visuals, and make sure your message is easy to understand. High-quality videos are more likely to be shared and recommended. It only takes one viral short to skyrocket your subscriber count. Many creators have seen their channels explode after a single video caught on. However, you can't predict which video will go viral. That's why consistency and experimentation are so important. Every upload is a new opportunity. Consistency isn't just about uploading often, it's about showing up even when you don't see immediate results. Many successful creators uploaded dozens of videos before seeing any real traction. Don't get discouraged if your first few shorts don't perform as expected. Keep learning, keep posting, and your efforts will pay off. One of the biggest mistakes is uploading low-quality videos. Blurry visuals, poor audio, or confusing messages can turn viewers away instantly. Always check your video before posting and ask yourself, would I watch this? If not, make improvements until you're satisfied with the result. Copying other creators' videos exactly is another common pitfall. While it's okay to be inspired by trends, your content should always have a unique twist. Audiences and algorithms reward originality. Stand out by adding your personality, perspective, or creative spin to every short. Captions are crucial for accessibility and engagement. Many viewers watch shorts without sound, so adding clear, concise captions ensures your message gets across. Ignoring captions can mean missing out on a large portion of your audience. Make it a habit to include them in every video. Making your shorts too slow can cause viewers to lose interest quickly. Keep your packing snappy and your visuals engaging from start to finish. Every second counts. Trim unnecessary parts and get straight to the point. Fast-paced, energetic videos perform best on shorts. Quitting after just a few uploads is a mistake that stops many creators from reaching their potential. Success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. The more you upload, the more you learn and improve. Stick with it and you'll see progress over time. Many top creators uploaded dozens of shorts before seeing real growth. They experimented, learned from mistakes, and kept refining their approach. Use their journeys as inspiration. Every upload is a step closer to your goals. Persistence and adaptability are your best friends on this platform. If you remember only 3 things from this guide, let them be these. First, hook your viewers instantly. Grab their attention in the first few seconds. Second, keep retention high by making your videos engaging and concise. Third, upload consistently to maximize your chances of success. These fundamentals are the foundation of every thriving channel. Don't stress about going viral overnight. Instead, focus on making each video better than the last. The more you learn and experiment, the more your skills will grow. Improvement is a journey. Embrace the process and success will follow naturally. Thank you for joining this guide to YouTube Shorts growth. Remember, every creator's journey is unique and persistence is key. Keep learning, keep creating, and don't be afraid to try new things. Good luck with your YouTube journey and see you in the next video.